Welcome back to where we're diving into the world of SEO to skyrocket your website to the top of Google's search results. As someone who has spent countless hours learning, implementing, and reaping the benefits of SEO, I can attest to its power. My journey began with investing time and effort into understanding SEO, and it paid off when I started seeing my website climb the ranks of Google's search results. We're about to delve into everything you need to know about SEO and why it's essential for your online income. So what's this all about? Why should you care about SEO? Well, let's dive right into that. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a key player in the digital marketing arena. It's like the unsung hero of your online presence, quietly working in the background to enhance your visibility. It's crucial for income generation online. Now you might be thinking, but what about social media? Isn't that enough? While social media engagement is important, it's not the be-all and end-all. Think about it this way. When people are scrolling through their social media feeds, they're not necessarily looking to buy. They're there to catch up with friends, see what's trending, and maybe even watch a few cute cat videos. But when someone types a query into Google, they're actively searching for something. They have a need and they're looking for a solution. That's where you come in. If your website is optimized for search engines, it has a better chance of appearing in those search results and attracting those potential customers. And the best part? These clicks from Google search are organic. You're not paying for them. They're the result of your hard work in optimizing your website and providing valuable content. But this isn't an overnight success story. SEO is a long-term strategy. It's about building a sustainable online presence that continues to attract and engage your audience over time. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy, unlike instant social media gratification. Before you even begin creating content, you need a strong SEO foundation. Just like constructing a building, it all starts from the ground up. And when it comes to SEO, the bedrock of your strategy is all about page load speed. Consider this. When was the last time you waited for a website to load? In today's fast-paced digital world, patience runs thin, and a slow-loading page can be the difference between a visitor and a bounce. Google knows this. That's why page load speed is a crucial ranking factor in its search algorithm. A fast-loading website not only enhances user experience, but also signals to Google that your site is user-friendly and deserving of a higher search ranking. But how do you know if your website is up to speed? That's where tools like Google Search Console and Page Speed Insights come into play. Google Search Console is a free tool that helps you monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot your site's presence in Google search results. It doesn't just tell you about your site's performance, it also alerts you to any issues that might be slowing things down. Page Speed Insights, on the other hand, analyzes the content of a web page and generates suggestions to make that page faster. It provides a score, ranging from 0 to 100, that estimates the performance of a page for both mobile and desktop devices. These tools are not just diagnostic, they're prescriptive. They don't just tell you what's wrong, they also offer solutions. Whether it's reducing server response time, eliminating render-blocking JavaScript and CSS in above-the-fold content, or leveraging browser caching, these insights can guide you in making necessary improvements. But remember, SEO is not a one-time thing, it's a continuous process. It's about making small, incremental improvements over time. So don't be discouraged if your website's speed isn't perfect right out of the gate. The key is to keep optimizing and improving. Go ahead, check your homepage's speed and make improvements. It's the first step towards a solid SEO foundation. Now let's talk about the heart of SEO high-quality content. Quality content is like the lifeblood that keeps the heart of your website pumping. It's the reason why users visit your site, stay on it, and finally convert into customers. Google, being the smart search engine it is, recognizes this. That's why recent algorithm changes have placed a significant emphasis on the quality of content. So what do these algorithm changes mean for you? Well, it means that you can't just slap together a bunch of keywords and call it a day. Your content needs to provide value, solve problems, and engage your audience. It should be original, well-researched, and relevant to your niche. This is the kind of content that Google loves and rewards with higher search rankings. But quality content doesn't just magically appear. It's the result of a well-thought-out content strategy. A content strategy is like your roadmap, guiding you on what kind of content to create, when to publish it, and how to promote it. Your content strategy should start with identifying a few specific topics or content pillars that are relevant to your website. These are broad topics that can be broken down into smaller subtopics. giving you a wealth of content ideas to work with. For instance, if you run a photography website, your content pillars could be portrait photography, landscape photography, and editing techniques. Each pillar can then be broken down into numerous detailed articles, tutorials, or blog posts. But let's not forget the ultimate goal here. Your content is not just about attracting readers, it's about turning them into customers. This means your content should not only inform but also persuade. It should subtly guide your readers towards making a purchase or signing up for your service. This could be through strategically placed calls to action, weaving in customer testimonials, or showcasing your products or services in action. Remember, your content is not just about attracting readers. It's about turning them into customers. Finally, it all boils down to keywords. Just as the heart of a good conversation lies in the words we choose, the success of your SEO strategy is heavily dependent on your choice of keywords. So, how do you find the right ones? Well, imagine yourself in the shoes of your audience. What would you type into that Google search bar if you were looking for your own content? Try it out. Look at the recommended search terms that pop up. These can serve as a great starting point. Now let's talk tools. SEO tools like SEMrush, Moz, and Seobility are not just fancy names in the digital marketing world. They are your best friends when it comes to keyword research. They can help you strike that perfect balance between search volume and competition. However, remember that these search volume estimates can be conservative. For more accurate numbers, consider using a tool like Keywords Everywhere. Understanding user intent and tailoring content accordingly is the key to targeting the right keywords. So what's the takeaway? Remember, the journey to SEO success starts with building a solid foundation, a fast-loading website. Next, it's all about developing a content strategy that revolves around high-quality content. The final piece of the puzzle is targeting the right keywords, tailored to user intent. These three cornerstones will propel your website to the top of Google's search results. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Share your own SEO experiences in the comments. See you next time.